Hey y'all, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Jasmy itself. First and foremost, just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of love on the Jasmy updates. Continue supporting and you will continue to see these updates that I bring you guys. So at this point, if you're looking at the screen, it's no secret at this point, and it doesn't even need an introduction to tell you guys that, we're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. If you did watch my Turbo or Pepe update earlier today, you did see that, what has been happening with the price of Bitcoin as we did start off the brand new week. So a little bit of a minor pullback in the price of Bitcoin, which is totally fine. Just a continuous reminder to you guys, you don't want to be forgetting what has been happening for the price of Bitcoin as well as the crypto markets over the course of the last week and a half. But if you look at Jasmy, indeed, it is down about 3.8% on the daily time frame. But let's analyze the chart, see what is happening, and what could be some of the next targets we could be aiming for in the immediate short term. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Jasmy, 2.824 cents, down about 3.6% as mentioned in USD, Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. Market cap just below that $1.4 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $87.5 million. So obviously right now you are seeing Jasmy sitting below 3 cents, and of course, if you guys know the significance of the 3 cents mark, that is a psychological price point. But let's take a closer look and see what we're looking at. What are some next targets we could be aiming for? I want to talk about this first. So just a day ago, I asked you guys, the community members, and this is what the viewers think right now. So you can see I said, wow, just wow, does Bitcoin hit an all-time high this month? 1,200 votes have come in, and about 75% of the people think that it is possible for the price of BTC to touch a new all-time high this month. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. But as you can see, the broader market, and not just my viewers, if you were to take a look at the overall market sentiment right now, a lot of people are excited about new all-time highs for BTC. But at the same time, remember how I look at it. When you do see these massive whales that have pretty much ruled the crypto space and that currently rule the crypto space still, when they're looking at, everyone getting excited, that FOMO feeling, this is where they can come in and kind of shake out the weak hands. And I've been telling you guys this from the beginning. So, we need to have that in the back of our mind as well. But if you're looking at BTC dominance, 55.62%, as mentioned, Bitcoin, it did see a little bit of a pullback, went down to the $66,211, significant amount of support, pretty much hanging around there right now, significant support. And of course, if this is not able to hold, a $64,500 retest is a very, very realistic retest that, we should be aiming for. But with that said, let's take a look at how Jasmy is reacting right now on the daily time frame and what we could be looking at in terms of, some targets. I just want to say thank you to, the true Jasmy holders. And I'm sure if you do follow me on my channel, or you do end up watching anything related to Jasmy, I'm sure you have done your due diligence research and actually are interested in Jasmy. But, what really, excites me is the fact that, people are realistic and, people understand my overall take. You guys know I'm not going to come here and sit and, make some unrealistic targets for you guys. Oh, Jasmy's gonna go here, Jasmy's gonna go here. We're gonna take it one step at a time, and a lot of people appreciate that. A lot of people kind of have the same type of mentality, and then that's what you need to do. Once you have that realistic mind in this crypto space, it will benefit you. Because think about it, some people are going to come out in here and be like, oh, well, Jasmy is sitting at 2.8 cents. At one point, Ethereum was at that price point. So, now we're going to see, Jasmy get to that Ethereum level. No, that's not how it works. I wish it was that simple, because if it was, everyone would be doing it. Just think about it. But anyhow, you're looking at Jasmy, saw that sideways momentum that I spoke to you guys about, but look where we're being sitting at right now, and where we're being supported by that exact same resistance. Remember this resistance as we were breaking out? Look at that. This resistance came in our way, not just once, not just two, 3 different times as we were breaking towards the upside. That exact same resistance right now, you can kind of see this on the daily time frame, is coming as a major level of support. So now that we have that out of the way, what happens next? So let's say, Jasmy actually does not hold around here. We do see BTC see a little bit of a more pullback to $64,000. Let's kind of take a look at it. So in order for BTC to fall down to the next major support line, that's a move up at 3.16%. And as we know, altcoins tend to get hit even harder, usually double if not more. So if we were to take a look at it, let's do a 6% move towards the downside, literally right on the neckline at some significant support. So you could see Jasmy going down to the 2.6 cents. In a grand scheme of things, it's nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. And right now, we are kind of seeing this consolidation occurring, even though we're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. You are seeing that exact same support that I just mentioned to you guys is playing as a significant amount of support right now for Jasmy. And, we've pretty much been supported by here for a few days since breaking out. So I like what we're seeing, but this again is a very significant support for the price of Jazz. So be very careful. Pay very close attention to BTC. Now, if you did buy back on July 5th and you don't want to lose these profits, like I said, lock those profits in. Lock those profits in. Cannot stress this enough. Or have some stop losses in place in case you don't want to get left behind. But, pay very close attention to BTC. Let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal projections where you see Jasmy going at the end of the year? Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been CryptoZX and peace out.